tournament number 14. Again, today the race of the group 2. Group 1 is already over, and time for the group 2. DNF for 0 points. Last for 5
points.
Third 10. Second 15.
And first
20 points. Let's introduce Time Shifter from Hot Wheels City, 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger from Mopar, On Duty from Hot Wheels City, Dodge Viper GTS-R from Mopar. These cars from Group 2, Viper and Brown Duty in the first row, Challenger and Time Shifter in the second row. Go! Dodge Viper wins. Let's check in replay. This is just almost crossed the finish line, but he DNF. And another one is here. They both are DNF. Let's check the result.
Dodge Viper got 20 and Drone Duty got 15, and Hemi Challenger and Time Shifter both are DNF.
And Challenger in the first row, Time Shifter and Drone Duty in second row. Go! Oh, it was photo finish. Let's check in. Oh.
We check in replay that Dodge Viper wins again. Time Shifter got 15, Drone Duty got 10, and Hemi Challenger is DNF again.
Viper and Challenger in the first row, Drone Duty and Time Shifter in the second row. Go! Challenger wins. Oh, he's the only who won who's DNF.
Hemi Challenger is got 20, Viper got 15, Time Shifter got 10, and Drone Duty is the DNF.
Time Shifter and Drone Duty in the first row, Challenger and Viper in the second row. Go! Time Shifter wins.
Drone Duty got 20, Time Shifter got 15, Hemi Challenger got 10, and Viper got 5.
Challenger and Time Shifter in the first row, Viper and Drone Duty in the second row. Go! Time Shifter, go!
Time Shifter got 20, Hemi Challenger got 15, Drone Duty got 10, and Viper got 5 again. So the total points is Time Shifter got 60, Hemi Challenger got 45, Drone Duty got 55, and Viper got 65. Subscribe to my channel for more diecasts racing tournaments.